Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw the Fortnite skin Lil Whip. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then it's going to just kind of go up and then in like this. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight across. And then I'm going to make the same shape on the other side. So I'm just going to draw a line, it's just going to kind of curve out. It's going to go up and then kind of curve in like this. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line, it's just going to curve up. And then I'm going to curve this down and in like that. Now, starting right here, we want to make his headphones. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes out, down, and then in, kind of like a little rectangle shape. And then I'm going to make another one over here, just kind of go out, down, and then in. Then at the top of these, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up to here, then it's going to jump over here, and then kind of curve down to here. Then for his face. So starting right here, we're going to make his mouth. So he's got a really big mouth. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight across. And then I'm going to just kind of curve it into a big smile. And then I'm going to draw 3 big smiley faces for teeth like this. And then just a little curved line for his tongue. Now, for his eyes, I'm going to draw a little line, and I'm just going to kind of curve it up and then down like this. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it back like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curve it up and down. And then just kind of curve right around here for the eye. Then I'm going to make some smaller versions of those going the opposite direction right up here for his eyebrows. So make one right there, and then I just want to make another one over here. And then I'm going to put a little skinny oval here for another sprinkle, and then he's got one right over here on his face as well. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to go down a little bit. And then I want to repeat the same thing on this side, just to kind of start the cone. Then, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go in, and then it's going to go down. And then same thing here, just go in at a diagonal, and then down. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down like this and then connects to here. And then same thing, draw a line that goes down and then connects to there. Then I'm going to make a little curved line at the bottom of each of these. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down on each side. And then I'm just going to connect it with a curve. And then I'm going to make another little curved line right here. Then, starting right here, I want to make the legs. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's going to kind of go out and then down like this. Another one right here is just going to kind of go out and then down like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line over, and then I'm just going to go up, kind of curve it around, and then go down and then connect to here. At the bottom here, I'm just going to draw 2 curved lines. And then I just want to make a line that's going to curve down. It's going to go over and then come back up. And then do the same thing over here. Curve down, draw a line that goes over, and then come back up. Now, starting here, I want to just make his arms. So I'm just going to start right here and draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then it's going to go in like this. Same thing over here, kind of curve out and then down. I'm going to start here and just draw a line that's just going to go down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this around, kind of like a little hook shape. Same thing over here, just kind of go down. And then just kind of curve it around. I'm going to put a little curved line like this. And then a little line that's just going to come back. Same thing here, small line here, and then a little curved line that kind of comes around, form the thumb. And then I'm just going to draw the lines back up here. Then I'm just going to draw 2 lines straight across to show where his gloves are. And then I'll draw a little curved line at the end here just to kind of show where he has those fingerless gloves on. Make these lines a little longer. Now for some of the details. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a little bit of a curved line that goes straight across to show where the cone is. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that just kind of goes up. It's going to kind of curve around and then come back up here. And then right inside of here, I'm just going to write the words Lil Whip. So L-I-L, little apostrophe up there, and then W-H-I-P for whip. Now we want to add some of the little patterns in the cone. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw some diagonal lines that go straight across like this. And then I'm going to make some go the other way. Then I'm just going to continue these X's down here and add a couple more over here. Put one right here in the corner. And then just kind of continue some of these diagonal lines. Just like that. Now, the last thing that he has is he has a lot of little sprinkles on his pants. So I'm just going to kind of make some of these little skinny oval shapes all over his pants. In just different directions. Going all over. Just so we have some detail on there. Just like that. And there you go. There is your drawing of Lil Whip from Fortnite. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.